Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss what is the inheritance. Okay, so inheritance is a process by which one object acquires the properties of another classes. Like suppose that we have two classes, so we can use inheritance concept to reuse the one class object into another object. Okay, from one class to another class, and this process is known as the inheritance. Okay, so how many type of inheritance? There are three types of inheritance supported in Java. Like first, single inheritance. Second is the multi-level inheritance. Third is the hierarchical inheritance. And there are two types of inheritance which is not supported in Java. Like one is the multiple inheritance and second is the hybrid inheritance. Okay, so now let's move on. Different type of inheritance. Okay, so what is the single inheritance? In single inheritance, when one class inherit another class, then this is known as the single inheritance. So here there is two classes. One is the super class and is the child class. Okay, and before moving on the inheritance type, let me explain what is the parent class and what is the child class. Okay, subclass or child class. A class which inherit the other class is known as the subclass or child class. Also, it is known as the derived class or extended class. Okay, like here, child is a class B. Why? Because B is subclass. B inherits class A. So here we can say B is a subclass, child class. We can also say it's also a name we can call the derived class. Okay, so all these name we can use for the derived class B. And second thing, that is superclass or parent class is a class from where the subclass inherits the feature. Okay, like here class B is inherited feature from B. So in case class A is a superclass, or we can also say that is a parent class or base class. So all these three types of name we can call for the base class. Okay, so here when what is single inheritance? In single inheritance, there is one parent class and one child class. Okay, so this type of inheritance is known as the single inheritance. So next, what is the multi-level inheritance? See here, there are multiple classes. Okay, there are different levels. Like a class B is inherited to class A, and class C is inherited to class B. Now if we talk from the class A B relationship, then B is a subclass or child class, and class A is parent class or base class. Similar type, there is another relationship between class B and class C. Here class B is a parent class or base class, and class C is a child class or subclass. So this type of inheritance is known as the multi-level inheritance. Next is the hierarchical inheritance. Okay, in hierarchical inheritance, there is a class which can extended by the two or more than two classes. This type of inheritance is known as the hierarchical inheritance. Like here, there is one superclass that is A. It has two child classes, class B and class C, and both classes inherited to class A. Next, multi-level inheritance. In this case, one class cannot extend more than one class. Okay, so multiple inheritance means when class one class is going to inherit two classes, that is known as the multiple inheritance. But Java is not supported multiple inheritance, means we cannot extend, we cannot inherit more than two classes in Java. Similar type, this hybrid inheritance is not supported in Java. What is hybrid? So when you can see hierarchical as well as the multiple inheritance, both inheritance mix used here. In that case, we can see there is hierarchical. Okay, so this is also not supported into Java. Okay, now let's move on and create some example how we inherit the classes in Java. So here I have created three classes. One is the base class, second is the child class. I have given the name. Third is the main class. Okay, in main class I have written the public static void main method. So I will start from execution in this class. So base, I am considering this a parent class. That's why I have given the name base class. This is the child class. Now this class will inherit the base class. Okay, let me create here some variable name. I created one name. Okay, second, I am going to create one method that is print. Okay, so one variable and one method. Similar type, I am going to create one void sum. Ten plus 20. Okay, so one method I have created in class child class and one method in parent class. Okay, now how we extend? So there is a extends keywords is used in Java to inherit the class. Okay, so call the extend keywords up the class and the class name like base test, which class we want to inherit. So here I am going to inherit the base class, so I will give the base class name. Okay, now let's create object of child class, and here in main method obj new child class. This is the method. This method is coming from the parent class, base class. This is not a child class. How we child class can access the method which are defined into the base class using the inheritance. Okay, so here child class is inherited to the base class. That's why child class object, using child class object we can call the parent class method, base class method. Okay, as well as the its own method. Let me run this. QN30. And I can also call the method as well as the variable. Okay. This one. So this is known as the inheritance. Now here child class can access the properties, methods or variable which are defined in the base class. It can access. Okay. So here is a single inheritance. Similar type, if you want to check the multi-level inheritance, so let me create a sub child. Okay, now this class extends the class child class. Okay, print child class. Now I'm going to create the object of the child class, and you can see with the help of using child class object, I'm able to access the method and variable which are defined into the base class. This subclass is not inherited directly to the base class, but this inherited the child class, and child class is inherited to the base class. So through the child class, it is access the properties which are defined into the base class. Okay, now if I call this print, so this will print its own method. And if I print the just dot here, now you can see this name is coming from the base similar type. This print name is coming from the base class. This sum is coming from the child class, and this print coming from the subchild. So this subchild is inherited its parent class as well as the super parent grandparent class method. Okay, so as we discussed, like multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. So one class cannot extend more than two classes. We cannot use here multiple classes to inherit. So this will be supported only one class. So at a time, one class can extend only single class, not a multiple classes. Okay, hope this will help you to get understanding like what is the inheritance in Java. And thanks for watching the video.